morning everyone. I am Mark Jade Imbillarin, your student teacher in soil. So, soil is essential. You walk on grass, root in soil, and you eat food grown in soil. So, soil is composed in 45% materials, 5% organic matter, and 25% water, and 25% of air. So now, let's talk about soil profile. So soil profile is one of the most important concepts in soil science. So the soil profile is defined as a vertical section of the soil that is exposed when a soil pit or hole is dug from the surface of the soil to the underlying bedrock. So the soil profile, mo ni sa makita ninyo ang soil profile nga. So the soil profile, makita man gyud ninyo na ang surface layer, mo ni siya ang sa babaw, leaves na ang mga leaves, branches, animal scats, and bodies, mushroom, other rooting materials. Mo ni siyang gitawag surface layer. So, ang sunod ana is topsoil layer or humus. Naa diri ang mga rooting organic matter from layer and materials from weathering rock. So, ang sunod is kanang subsoil. So, ang subsoil is naa ang mga crumbling rock, sand, clay, gravel, and silt. So, ang pinakaubos, mao na siya ang daghan kay mga bato. So, gitawag na siya og material, ay parent material. So, actual bedrock, mao ni siya ang parent material. Makita ninyo diha nga na mga bato, mao na siyang gitawag og parent material. Na diha ang mga actual bedrock underlining the soil layers. So, let's talk soil structure. So, ang mga soil structure is combination or arrangement of primary soil particles. So, ang mga soil particles is tulo na sa kabuok, mo na siyang gitawag og sand, silt, and clay. So, ang sand is natural occurring rough materials, and the size of sand particle range between 2.0 mm and 0.05 mm. So, ang sa silt pod is small particles and size is between sand and clay. So, yung size is 0.05 mm and 0.002 mm. And sa clay pod is very fine particles. And clay is less than 0.002 mm. So, mo tong gingon ganina nga naay 45% materials, organic matter 5%, water 25%, and air 25%. So sa soil color, two types of soil on the basis of color. So ang duha na sa dark color soil o light color soil. So ang dark color soil is rich with a lot of organic matters. Mao na siya ang dark color soil, mao na siya ang kuan. Rich siya sa organic matters. And ang pagkaduha is light color soil, not so rich with organic matters. Mao na siyang kalahian. So sa components of the soil profile is a soil horizon makes up a distinct layer of soil. So the soil profile extends from the soil surface to the parent rock material. The regolith includes all of the weathered materials within the profile. The regolith has two components, mo ni sa ang solum ug saprolite. So ang solum includes the upper horizon with the most weathered portion of the soil profile. So ang saprolite is the least weathered portion that lies directly above the soil parental bedrock. So naa diri ang sea horizon, and sa solum is naa diri ang surface and subsoil layers O horizon, A horizon, and B horizon. So ang humus, topsoil ug subsoil na kuha na sa solum, and kanang weathered rock fragments and bedrock na sa saprolite. Diri na ta sa master horizon. So horizon based on color, roots, structure, rock, and fragment. So master soil horizon are depicted by a capital letter in the order from top to down. The master horizon are represented by the letter. So, mo ni sa ang pinakababaw ang O horizon, nakasunod ang A horizon, ang E horizon, B horizon, C horizon, and the last is R horizon. So ang O horizon na diri ang surface horizon that is compressed of organic material at various stages of decomposition. So mo ni ang kaubos ay kalawom ang surface layer at depth of 0.2 feet. Dark in color, soft in texture. So sunod. Ubos. And sa A horizon is mo ni sa ang gitawag nga topsoil horizon. Larger consists of minerals, sand, silt, and clay. So topmost layer of mineral soil at depth of 2 to 10 feet. So sa A horizon ta. Ang A horizon is gitawag ni sa leaching layer horizon. A small layer between A and B horizon at depth of 10 to 15 feet. Light in color, mainly sand and silt. So, sa B horizon is sa gitawag na subsoil horizon at depth of 10 to 30 feet, rich in clay and minerals like iron and aluminum. So, sa sunod is C horizon. Sa the saprolite horizon at depth of 30 to 48 feet, made up the large rock or lump of particles broken bedrock. So muna sa mga bato-bato. Sunod is ang R horizon, the bedrock horizon. The depth of 48 plus feet, deepest soil horizon in the soil profile. Continuous mass of bedrock, color are those of the original rock of the area. Unsa ganito ang pinakababaw nga horizon?
O horizon.
Unsa ganito ang mga naa sa O horizon?
Organic material.
So unsa isunod sa O horizon?
A horizon.
Sunod,
E horizon.
sunod,
B horizon.
sunod,
C horizon.
and last.
R horizon.
Wow, tapos sa R horizon, unsa gyud ang nasa R horizon nato, di ba na ang mga
Kanang bedrock.
bedrock. Katong sa soil structure, unsa gyud itong mga soil particles, tulo to ka buok.
Sand, silt, clay.
So unsa ganito ang kuan kanang mga sizes sa sand?
2.0 mm and 0.05 mm.
And sa silt, unsa gitong sa silt?
0.05 mm and 0.002 mm.
So sa clay, unsa ganito ang mga size?
0.002 mm.
O mo na sa less than 0.002 mm. So, para to. Thank you sa tanan.